Ladies and gentlemen, great Nigerian people, I'm a native of Akwa Ibom State, and what you have here is a delightful breakfast that I used to have in the early 70s when I was a child. My mother used to cook this cocoyam, and when she cooked it, it was boiled thoroughly and salted, and then the sauce was made of pepper, tomato, onions, and sometimes crayfish or dried prawns, and even dried fish, depending on the financial capacity of the family. We delighted in eating it. In my Bibo language, we used to say fukforo. And once you fukforo, that is how you squeeze it, and it comes out of the covering. You have your breakfast going. We ate this, we went to school, but along the line, I'm afraid to say that this species of cocoyam is disappearing. A long time ago, when we used to drive through Dukpani Highway to Akwa Ibom State, going to Calabar, you see it at Calabar River, Okbokom River, and Dukpani Junction. You buy huge quantities of it on baskets. But today, this cocoyam has almost disappeared in Akwa Ibom. I beg to ask crop scientists, agricultural scientists, what has happened to this species? Are we waiting for the Asians, Chinese, for example, to come and, change it to something else? Why are we not planting it? Why is it disappearing? I got this here in Kefi, Nasarawa State, and I'm having a wonderful breakfast. Join me. Ask yourself the questions. What are we doing in a season that people are so hungry, in a country that people are suffering, and we need to diversify our economy? This cocoyam must come back. Ladies and gentlemen, let us think deeply into what is happening to our species of cocoyams.